finding it very difficult to land their first job. They are struggling a lot to get their first job. Treat this as a problem to you and dig deep to find these solutions. Friend, today I am going to talk about one of the most powerful tools designed especially for solving the problems that is globally accepted by the organization. It's a well-proven tool used for problem solving. I will help you to use this tool to find the solutions for your problem. First, write your problem statement. Why you are not getting a job? Now we will do the 5 why analysis of this problem. Why you are not getting a job? Because you are not getting enough interview calls. Why you are not getting enough interview calls? Because your resume is not getting shortlisted. And why your resume is not getting shortlisted? It is because your resume is not attractive to the hiring manager. It is not attracting to the hiring manager. It is not attracting to the organizations. And why your resume is not attracting to the hiring manager? It might be because it is poorly designed. It is scattered. It is not having all the information that a hiring manager required. And why it is poorly designed? It might be because it is designed by an unprofessional. Guys, this is the 5 why analysis. If you work on the 5th element, you can definitely resolve this problem. Friend, I am T. Chandra. I have 17 years of industrial experience. I have used this tool extensively to solve my problems, and I have 100% strike rate to solving my problems. Guys, this is a very, very powerful tool, globally used. You must start using it to solve your problem. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.